with magnets. Okay, we're going to find out what is magnetic, and that means that the magnet can pick it up, and what is non-magnetic. So I can experiment with magnets. Let's do it again. I can experiment with magnets. So now what we're going to do is, the word magnetic means that the magnet can pick it up. And non-magnetic means that it will not pick it up. So that's why I have on the board, and on your board, I have one that picks it up and one that has a line through it that shows that it will not pick it up. So we're going to think about, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the ones I have. I have 4 things that are either magnetic. Well, we're going to leave them in here because you can see them. But these are the things that I have. We're going to leave them in here. We're going to leave them in here. I have 2 types of nails. 2 different types of nails. See them? I have a rock. And I have magnets. So, this is called a what?
Magnet.
A magnet wand. It's just like a wand that we use, okay? This is for magic, correct? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this wand and I'm going to pass it over the things. And I want you to tell me, I want you to think, when I pick it up, I want you to think before it. And if it's magnetic, if you think it's going to be magnetic, give me a thumbs up. And if you think it's non-magnetic, give me a thumbs down. Okay, let's start with these nails. If you think they're magnetic, give me a thumbs up. If you think they're not, give me a thumbs down. Okay, let's find out. Let me pass my magic. Let me do my wand over it. Let's see. Oh, let's see. Oh, is it magnetic?
Yes.
Yes, it is. So which side will we put it on?
Thumbs up.
Okay, on the thumbs up. So we'll put it on the magnetic side. Okay? What about these nails? Do you think these nails are going to be magnetic?
Yeah.
Why do you think these nails are going to be magnetic? Because they're what?
Little.
They're little. Okay. Very good. What else could they be?
Pointy
Pointy
stuff.
stuff. You're right. You remember a few weeks ago we did recycling?
Yeah.
Do you remember the 3 things that can be recycled?
Yeah.
What are they?
One thing is
A water bottle.
Put it in the trash.
Okay, correct. But a water bottle is made of what?
Plastic.
Plastic. What was another thing that can be?
Glass.
Glass. And what's another thing that we can do?
Paper.
Paper. What's another thing that can be recycled?
Can.
A can. What is it made of?
Aluminum.
What is it made of?
Aluminum.
Aluminum. Very good. You remember. You guys kiss your brain. Because you guys are smart. You're really smart. Aluminum. Aluminum is a metal. It's a metal. And aluminum can be picked up with a magnet. So, but paper, let's see. Paper can't be. So what we're going to use is we're going to see which ones have metal in them and which ones don't have metal in them. Okay, let's see about this one. You think thumbs up if it is or thumbs down if it isn't? Okay, let's find out. So is it magnetic or non-magnetic? So it goes over here on non-magnetic. Okay, now, what we're going to do, I'm going to not do these 2. I want you to think about it. I'm going to change it up. If you think the rock, first we got to think about it. If you think the rock is magnetic, you're going to give me a thumbs down. I mean a thumbs up, sorry. Or if you think, well, what I want to know is which one do you think is magnetic?
The magnet.
The
Magnet.
Which one is magnetic? The magnets are?
Yes.
How do you know, Adam?
Because we got magnets over there in science.
You're right. But how do you know they're magnetic?
Because they stick together.
How do they stick together?
With the other magnets. With the other magnets.
Okay,
At
with
the bottom.
the other magnets. Well, let's see which one you're right. Which one do you think it is? The rocks or the magnets?
Magnets.
You sure about that?
Yes.
All right, let's see. I'm going to put it right in the center. See which one comes to it. Oh, somebody's moving. Oh, you're so right. You are so right. It is the magnet. Very good. All right. So now that we've done the we do. Now what you're going to do, thank you, and that one goes right there. Perfect. Thank you. What you're going to do is I've put in front of you a few things that are magnetic and non-magnetic. You and your partner are going to work together to figure out which is magnetic and which is not. Then I want you to talk to your partner and tell them why you think it's magnetic and why you think it might not be. Some of them are not going to stick. Some of them are not. So I need you to take turns.
Like the square.
We'll find out. You and your partner talk about it. Okay?
Like the
All right? You may begin. Go ahead. You and your partner start. Oh. All right. Put it in the right place. Only pick one. Pick one. Pick the one you want to do. Okay? I'll pass it to your partner. Ask her. Ask her the question. What are you going to ask her?
Why did you pick it? Because it's magnet.
Pass it down. Good. One thing. One at a time, please. Okay. Where you gonna put it? And ask. Ask him.
Why did it pick up? Because it was a magnet.
Pass it up. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Ask him.
Why is it pick it up? Because it's magnet.
Okay. What is the magnet made of? We just talked about it. What's it made of?
Why did it pick it up?
Why didn't it pick it up, Adam?
Sticks like magnet.
But Adam, why didn't that rectangle pick up?
Because it's made out of food.
It's made out of what?
Food.
Food. Okay, it's made out of food. So food doesn't pick up with magnets, huh?
Not bills do. And a beer top. And these pick up
Why?
because they're made out of magnet.
They're made out of, remember we just talked about what the recycled thing is?
Aluminum.
And it might be made of aluminum, you're right, and they might be made of metals.
We all get
There is metal in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, what about the other stuff?
Because this one don't stick.
Why?
Because it's a rectangle.
It is a rectangle.
Stuff like that don't
Okay,
stick.
you guys need to go back and forth. Your turn. Pick something else. Okay. Ask her the question.
Why? Did you pick that? Because it was magnet.
It balanced. Very
Because
good.
it was magnet.
Okay. Try another one. No, I just want you to do these also. Okay, why ask him a question?
Why did it not pick it up? Because it's not made out of aluminum.
Good job. Then put it where it belongs. Put the bear on the knot. There you go. How do you know those things go there?
Because it's got a line.
What does that line mean?
Then these stuff don't magnet.
The stuff is not magnetic. Very good. Very good.
The things is.
Okay.
Yeah, you pick up 3.
I need to see if everybody's finished with their stuff. I'm waiting on the last group to finish up with all your stuff in the right places. You got some more stuff on the table. It's her turn. Pass it to her.
Ring, ding, ding, there.
Okay, put that where would you put that? And why'd you put it there?
What about this one doing?
Okay, what is it?
A stick.
It's a stick. And it's made of what?
Wood.
Correct. It's made of wood. So wood is not. Very good. And what is that?
A ball.
A ball. So where would that go? Okay. And why is that going there?
It's don't stick.
Why? Why?
Because it's made out of
It's made of orange juice. Good job. Okay. It's made of orange. It's a pom-pom.
A pom-pom?
Yeah, it's called a pom-pom.
What do a pom-pom do?
We use it for decoration.
And shearing.
And shearing?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Thank you. Thank you for teaching me that. That
Like-
taught me
like
something new
somebody.
today.
Like somebody.
Okay, so let me see which group is finished and which group is still working.
Look.
Okay, when you're finished with your partner, put your hands together like that. Put your hands with your partner. There you go. Put your hands with your partner when you're done so I know who's ready, who is still working. And put your wand down when you're done. Not there. Just gonna pick it up again, put it on the table. And put your hands together. All right, good. So what did we learn about today?
Magnet.
Magnets. And what did we learn that magnets pick up?
Metal things.
Metal things. So if something is not metal, would it pick it up?
No.
Why not?
It's deep. It's like,
It has an in it. Okay. Very good. So what we are, I can
I can
experiment
experiment
with magnets.
with magnets.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful.
Look at mine.
All right, good job. You guys put your hands down. Put your hands on your lap. You did a good job. I appreciate your helping me.